Identify different packing seals. If a hydraulic actuator fails to hold pressure or a pneumatic line starts to leak, one of the first suspects is a damaged or incompatible seal. Seals aren't just small components, they're pressure barriers, contamination blockers, and system protectors. The moment they fail, the entire circuit is compromised. To prevent failures like these, technicians must understand the types of seals used across systems. In aircraft systems, seals are grouped into three main categories: packings, gaskets, and wipers. Each has a specific function depending on whether the system is static or dynamic, and whether it involves fluid containment, protection, or both. Let's begin with the most widely used packing, the O-ring. These circular seals maintain bidirectional pressure and are found throughout hydraulic and pneumatic systems. Their job is simple but critical. They ensure fluid stays sealed inside the system under operating loads. Some seals work in only one direction. V-ring and U-ring packings are directional seals used in systems like brake master cylinders. V-rings must face the pressure source and lock into place using a male-female retainer. U-rings seal in only one direction and must be installed with the lip facing the fluid. When pressure increases, O-rings may need reinforcement. Backup rings are rigid supports installed on the downstream side to prevent extrusion. Teflon TM backup rings must be oriented correctly to avoid seal failure. Beyond packings, seals also include static and protective types. Gaskets are used in static locations, such as between non-moving parts like pump covers or crankcases. They're made from copper, cork, or rubber. Wipers serve a protective function. They're dynamic seals placed around exposed piston rods to block dirt and fluid. They can be metallic or felt and are critical in preventing scoring and contamination. Not all seals work with all fluids. Seals must match the system's fluid type and temperature range. Some O-rings include color-coded markings, but this isn't always reliable. Always verify compatibility through part numbers or packaging. Once a seal is selected, do not assume that your job is done. Before returning any component to service, it is important to confirm the seal's type, material, and intended function. The wrong seal does not just fail, it can compromise the entire system. Know what the system needs, verify compatibility, and inspect for damage before use.